Hi, boys and girls. Miss McDonough here. This is for kindergarten and first grade. And we are going to do a line review today. So we're going to go over our lines. We're going to actually write down the name of the line next to it. Then we are going to read a story. And after the story, we're going to do a drawing using all of those lines that we learned. So are you ready? I'd like you to get a pencil. Look at my pencil. Okay, so I have this big pencil. So hopefully it writes dark enough so you'll be able to see. So we're going to do our first one. Now, the first line we're going to do is a wavy line. Now, when I say wavy, I don't mean like at the ocean where the waves are crashing and knocking you over. We're going to do a wavy line like this, and you can write it in the clouds first. Remember, some of you first graders might remember how we did that. We would write it in the air first, right? So a wavy line is just like this. It's calm and peaceful, right? So I am going to do my wavy line right here. Here's a wavy line. Okay, here's my wavy line. Remember, it's not pointy or anything. Okay, and then I'm going to write the word wavy, and I want you to write it too, W-A-V-Y, wavy, okay? And I'll put a little line underneath it. So that is a wavy line, okay? Next line is going to be a zigzag. Remember, it goes up to a point, up, down, like mountains. It kind of looks like mountains. It's very pointy, almost like if you touch it, it's going to hurt your finger. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. And that is a zigzag. Okay, that's what we call that kind of line, zigzag line. Okay, the next line we're going to do is called a broken line. Okay, and it sounds just like that. It's a little line, a space, a little line, a space, a little line, a space. Okay, so now I'm going to do it on here. So I have a line, a space, 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 a line, a space. And we see these on the highway, right? And so that's called a broken, B-R-O-K-E-N-L-I-N-E, okay? So we're going to have some writing practice in art, okay? Because we're going to be doing some reflections and different things in the future. Okay, so another kind of line. This is my very favorite kind of line. And it's called a curly line. And it's like a loop-de-loop, like you see on a roller coaster, right? It goes like this, okay? So I'm going to do it on my paper so you can see it like this. See? And this is also the way you do a cursive E too. Okay, so we're going to call that a curly line, right? Because you would use that if you were making curls. Maybe you're drawing a girl and you're making curls, or if you want to make like smoke that curls up, you know, you'd use one of those kind of lines. Okay, now another kind of line is called a curved line. A curved line is a line that goes like an arch, like a rainbow is a curved line, right? Maybe if you want to make clouds or a big smile, that's a curved line. So we're going to do our curved line just like that. Okay, so I'm going to do this way, and then I'm going to do a smile. Okay, so basically a frown and a smile. Okay, and then that is called a curved, C-U-R-V-E-D. Okay, curved line. Okay, all right, and now we're going to do just one more. Okay, This is called a diagonal line. A diagonal line is a line that leans, okay? So it leans this way or it leans the other way. So like an X, okay? So we're gonna do some diagonal lines, just like this, okay? It can go that way or it can go this way, okay? And those are diagonal. Okay, so those are our lines that we're studying today. Now, we're also going to be working with our primary and our secondary colors afterwards. Remember, our primary colors are red, blue, and yellow. Okay, our secondary colors are green, orange, and purple. Prime, it means number one. So you have to have your prime or your number one colors before you can have your secondary colors, okay? So now I am going to read a story, but I'm going to do it on a separate video, okay? And then we're going to use these lines to draw a beautiful picture, okay? So bye for now.